Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into a complete overview of Vedic astrology, also known as Jyotish, which literally translates to the science of light. Originating from the ancient Indian Vedas, this system doesn't just look at who you are. It acts as a map of your karma, your timing, and your soul's purpose. Ever feel like Western astrology captures your personality, but misses the deeper blueprint of your actual life path? That's because there is a whole other cosmic system that has been tracking the universe for over 5,000 years. In this video, we're breaking down the complete framework, how it uses the actual, astronomical positions of the stars rather than fixed seasons, what the 12 houses really mean for your destiny, and how the unique Dasha system can literally predict the major chapters of your life. By the end of this overview, you'll see your birth chart in a completely new light. Foundations of Vedic astrology. Astrology links planetary positions to human fortunes, emphasizing an integrated, holistic approach. Indian astrology uniquely explains twin differences through sensitive parameters. Key concepts and techniques, charts, rasi, divisional, houses, nakshatras, and dasas form core analysis tools. Special ascendants, divisional charts, and planetary influences are crucial for detailed predictions. Calculation of tithas and lunar months. Tithas are determined by dividing the moon's longitude by 12 degrees, ignoring remainders. Lunar months start with sun-moon conjunction in specific signs, named after the constellation at full moon. Lunar and solar year differences. Lunar year is about 355 days, shorter than solar year, causing extra months every 3 years. Conjunction points in zodiac signs define lunar months and their names. Yoga and Karana calculations. Add sun and moon longitudes, divide by 800 feet, and add 1 to find the yoga index. Tithas are divided into 2 Karanas with 11 types, repeating in months. Special lagnas and divisional charts. Various lagnas like Hora, Ghatika, and Sri Lagna are based on sun's position at sunrise. Divisional charts are created by dividing rasis into parts, analyzing different life aspects. Divisional charts and their computation. 20 divisional charts analyze specific life areas, like career, D10, or health, D6. Charts are computed by dividing zodiac signs into parts based on degrees, minutes, and sign ownership. Significance of divisional charts. Charts reveal physical, mental, subconscious, and karmic aspects of life. Higher charts like D40, D45, D60 explore subtle karmic influences beyond physical and mental planes. Use and interpretation of charts. Select charts relevant to the matter, such as D10 for career or D16 for pleasures. Links between planets, signs, and houses in charts help predict events and personality traits. House and reference concepts. Houses represent life areas. Their meaning varies with reference points like Lagna, Moon, or Aruda Lagna. Different references highlight physical self, mind, perceptions, or spiritual aspects, influencing analysis. Aruda Padas and their significance. They represent illusions and perceptions related to houses, planets, and self-image. They show how the world perceives a native and influence material success and reputation. Calculation and application of Aruda Padas, computed by counting signs from planets or houses, with specific rules for exceptions. Used in divisional charts to interpret perceptions about wealth, relationships, and career. Use of Graha and Rasi Drishti. Graha Drishti influences houses and planets directly, Rasi Drishti affects signs and their matters. Both aspects help analyze influence, perception, and potential obstacles in life. Argala and Virodhargala concepts. Argala indicates beneficial or obstructive influences on houses or planets. Virodhargala obstructs Argala, showing resistance or challenges in matters. Yogas and their impact. Specific planetary combinations produce results like Raja, Dana, or Mahapurusha yogas. These yogas influence fortune, power, wealth, and personality traits. Yogas for power and prosperity. Specific combinations like Kahala, Chamara, Sankha, and others indicate strength, leadership, wealth, and respect. Many yogas depend on planetary positions, signs, and house placements, influencing traits like boldness, intelligence, and kingship. Raja yogas and their conditions. These yogas involve planetary associations, aspects, and house placements that grant authority and success. Strength, proximity, and absence of afflictions determine the yoga's effectiveness and results. Special Raja yogas and variations. Advanced yogas involve planetary exchanges, divisional charts, and specific house occupancies. Results range from leadership to divine incarnation, depending on the strength and placement of planets. Transit and divisional chart analysis. Ashtakavarga system assesses benefic, malefic influences across houses and charts. Sodhya Pindas and Prastara yogas refine predictions by analyzing exact planetary influences and references. Controversies and conventions. Different traditions use varied notations for benefic, malefic houses, leading to potential confusion. Parasara's conventions prioritize specific interpretations for accurate astrological analysis. Inconsistencies in classical texts. Variations exist between Parasara and Varahamihira on benefic houses of Moon and Venus. Text corruption over time may cause these discrepancies. Methodology of Ashtakavarga calculation. Parasara's indirect approach uses multiple references for corruption resistance. Cross-checking involves counting references from benefic and malefic perspectives. Controversies in house division. Some use Bhava, Chalit chakra with different house division methods, leading to conflicting house placements. The book advocates sticking to Parasara's single Rasi house system for consistency. Exercise summaries. Exercises involve calculating benefic houses, preparing charts, and estimating longevity using various methods. Examples include analyzing charts of Madonna, Swami Saraswati, and Rajiv Gandhi. Chart interpretation principles use divisional charts suited to the matter, considering influences, yogas, and strengths. Family analysis involves specific divisional charts like D12, D7, D3, and D9. Longevity and Maracas, houses 3, 8, 2, and 7, and their lords indicate lifespan and death timing. Maracas, killers, include planets owning 2nd, 7th houses and afflicted malefics. Rudra, Trishula, and Mahaswara. Rudra is the stronger of the 8th house lords from Lagna and 7th house. Trishula Rasis are linked to Shiva's trident, indicating death spikes. Planet strength and avasthas. Multiple strength measures exist: Shadbala, Ashtakavarga, and avasthas. Avasthas relate to age, mood, attitude, and activity, affecting planetary results. Activity-related states of planets, Mercury, Jupiter, and Venus influence results based on their avasthas and positions. Mercury's Gamana indicates court visits. Jupiter's Enrialapsa suggests honor and wealth. Venus's Saba relates to prominence and charity. Dasha systems and computations. Various Dasha systems like Vimsatari, Ashtatari, and Narayana divide life into periods with specific durations. Calculations depend on planetary positions, star advancements, and sign strengths, with variations for longevity and event prediction. Planetary strength and Rasi analysis. Stronger co-lords and Rasi ownership determine planetary influence and Dasha durations. Rules include aspects, exaltation, and sign oddity, affecting predictions and Dasha sequences. Practical application and examples. Examples illustrate how Dashas predict events like career success, longevity, and life crises. Variations in start points and planetary positions refine accuracy in timing and results. Counting houses and antardasas. Counting direction depends on whether starting Rasi is odd or even. Exceptions occur if Saturn or Ketu occupy seed Rasi, reversing or directing the sequence. Interpretation of dasas. Dasa reveals life progression, fortune, and success based on house and planet strength. Analyzing dasa lagna, planetary placements, and yogas helps predict events and outcomes. Narayana dasa and divisional charts calculates timing for specific life areas using divisional charts with different seeds. Different divisional dasas focus on career, marriage, learning, and parental relations. Lagna Kendrati Rasi Dasa uses movement ruled by Lakshmi for material success and prosperity. Starts from stronger of Lagna in 7th house, with direction based on sign parity. Sudasa, Sri Lagna Rasi Dasa, focuses on material wealth, power, and status through Lagna and related houses. Dasa periods depend on the position of Sri Lagna, with analysis of planetary influences. Drigdasa, spiritual evolution, based on aspects, indicating spiritual growth and internal awakening. Starts from 9th house with periods linked to signs and their aspects, guiding spiritual progress. Nirayana Shula Dasa, timing death, uses stronger of 2nd and 8th houses to predict death timing. Death often occurs during dasa of Trishula Rasis or when specific antardasas align. Dasa systems and death timing. Nirayana and Shula dasas relate to timing death, disease, and suffering. Shula dasa shows Shiva's force, with death occurring when Shiva's motion hits vital houses. Calculation and interpretation of Shula dasa. Dasas start from the stronger of Lagna or 7th house, each lasting 9 years. Houses aspected or occupied by Rudra planets indicate potential death or misfortune. Kalachakra Dasa overview, based on nakshatra groups and 24 Rasi sequences, it predicts life events. Dasas and antardasas are derived from nakshatra padas, with durations based on ownership. Transit analysis and natal references. Transits from moon and other points influence mental and physical states. Transit planets aspect natal houses, affecting timing of events like marriage or health. Transit and divisional chart interactions. Transit influences are studied through interactions between natal and transit charts. Course timing uses natal divisional and transit Rasi charts. Fine timing involves natal Rasi and transit divisional charts. Techniques for transit analysis. Methods include examining Navamsa correlations, Ashtakavarga, Kakshiyas, Sodhya Pindas, and special nakshatras. These techniques help assess timing, strength, and results of planetary transits. Nakshatra and star-based predictions. Nakshatras and special stars influence results. Bad taras and malefic transits indicate obstacles or danger. Nakshatra-based Veda and special nakshatras provide insights into auspicious or inauspicious periods. Body parts and transit effects. Planets in specific nakshatras affect corresponding body parts. Malefic Veda can cause health issues. Transit positions can predict physical ailments or injuries related to body parts. Sodhya Pindas and timing events. Multiplying rekas by Sodhya Pinda estimates nakshatra or rasi for timing events. Used with dasas and tajika charts for more accurate predictions. Tajika system overview, an advanced subsystem focusing on planetary aspects and yogas, used for precise predictions. Though not classical, it is supported by scholars like Nilakantha and B.V. Raman. Casting and analyzing Tajika charts. Annual charts are cast when Sun returns to birth position, indicating a new year. Exact timing involves precise Sun longitude. Approximate methods use days and hours for quick estimates. Monthly and 60-hour charts. Monthly charts are cast when Sun moves by 30 degrees, analyzing 1-month periods. 60-hour charts divide months into 12 periods, predicting events over 2.5 days. Special concepts in Tajika charts. Muntha indicates yearly progress. Its position influences event outcomes. Aspects like trinal, sextile, square, and conjunction affect planetary influences and results. Yogas in Tajika charts, yogas like Ishkavala and Indavara determine wealth or disappointment. Ithasala and Isarfa yogas involve planetary aspects and relative speeds, indicating success or failure. Timing of events with dasas, specific dasa systems like Patyayini, Mutta, and Narayana are used for precise event timing within a year. Dasa durations are compressed, and their order depends on progressed moon or lagna, helping predict marriage, travel, or success. Importance of accurate birth time. Small errors affect divisional charts and predictions significantly. Precise birth time is essential for reliable analysis and rectification. Techniques for birth time rectification. Use known life events and divisional charts to refine birth time. Methods include analyzing lagna, planetary positions, and dasa sequences. Impact of birth time errors on predictions. Minor inaccuracies alter planetary positions and dasa timings. Lagna changes rapidly, making precise timing crucial for accurate forecasts. Rational approach to astrology. Avoid vague principles. Focus on logical, evidence-based methods. Emphasize scientific thinking and reject irrational explanations. Probabilistic validation of astrology. Statistical analysis shows certain planetary sign combinations correlate with marriage. Expected success rate is 11%, but observed cases are 45%, indicating a link. Exercise principles and significance. Probabilities of planetary events are calculated assuming independence. Combining multiple factors helps assess the strength of astrological principles. Why astrology can be scientific. Correlations can be proven statistically even without understanding planetary influence. Scientific validation relies on finding meaningful patterns, not explanations. Mundane astrology applications uses national charts, birth, solar, lunar, to predict collective events. Houses and divisional charts signify aspects like war, economy, and international relations. Muhurta and electional astrology. Timing of starting tasks depends on planetary positions, tithas, and lagnas. Planetary strength and divisional charts influence auspiciousness of moments. Ethical practice of Jyotisha. Practitioners should serve honestly, respect knowledge, and avoid fear-mongering. Spiritual integrity and selfless service are core to ethical astrology. Career and job predictions. Astrology indicates setbacks, frustrations, and success in career based on planetary positions and dasas. Predictions of job loss in June and better opportunities in July were confirmed. Influence of dasas and transits. Dasa periods and sub-periods, antardasas, reveal pressures, frustrations, and eventual success. Specific planetary combinations and transits influence mood, career, and major life events. Significance of natal chart factors. Key planets owning houses and aspects determine yoga, foreign stay, and career growth. Venus and Sun placements support professional advancement and international opportunities. Predictions for special events. Astrological analysis assesses chances of awards, marriage, and major achievements. Mood and planetary influences around specific dates are crucial for accurate predictions. Vedic astrology is incredibly deep, but once you understand the foundational layout, the universe starts making a lot more sense. If this overview helped clear up the cosmos for you, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with a friend who loves digging into the stars. And if you want to keep exploring the cosmic blueprint with me, definitely hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. If you want to understand how we got here, make sure to see our previous videos where we broke down the core differences between the sidereal and tropical zodiacs, and how to find your true Vedic ascendant sign. Thank you so much for watching, keep looking up, and I'll see you in the next video.